Hey everyone! Welcome to the official Denote channel. Over the past year, Denote has made huge strides in creative collaboration, improving both its features and user experience. Today, we'll show you how to get the most out of Denote and boost your ad performance by 10x. Denote is a creative management tool designed for teams, brands, e-commerce, and creators. You can save and download ads from platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Ad Library, and even use AI to help with your creative process. Whether you're organizing ad inspiration or analyzing competitors, Denote has you covered. Thousands of users are already using Denote, praising how it improves ad inspiration management and teamwork. Save ads from anywhere with Denote. You can easily save ads from platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Ad Library. One click, and the ad inspiration syncs into Denote, no need for manual uploads. All your saved content is organized and easy to find later. AdSpy. Denote also supports AdSpy, allowing you to follow real-time updates from advertisers. You can quickly check out the latest ad ideas and spot trends in the market. Denote AI. It is powerful. If you ever hit a creative block, just type a few simple instructions, and AI will generate ideas for you, reducing the effort in creating ads manually. Team collaboration. No matter where you are in the creative process, Denote helps you collaborate with your team. Share ad assets, ad notes, and keep everyone on the same page with real-time updates. In addition, these key features provide you with an incredibly smooth creative collaboration experience. Permanently save and manage creative ideas in bulk, effortlessly store and organize your ad inspirations and creative assets for future use. Ad Finder extension to discover top-performing ads. Use the extension to view ad spend for free and quickly locate winning ads in the Facebook Ad Library for collection. AI Transcript. Extract ad video scripts using AI to enhance content creation efficiency. Thanks for watching the Denote tutorial. If you have any new ideas or suggestions, feel free to reply directly in the video comments section, or reach out to us through our website. We hope Denote truly brings you a great advertising workflow experience.